Alright, hi guys, this is Tremaine Hudson from the Your College VITA program, and what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you guys how to access the simulator program. That is the program that we use to do our practice problems whenever we are conducting our training. Now, the first thing you guys want to do is you want to head to your browser line up here in the top, and just a reminder, our program only works with Internet Explorer, so do not try it with any other web browser. Okay. Website we use for the simulator program will be Voltax Prep. That's VOLTAXPREP.com. And once you guys head over there, you should get to a page that says Link and Learn Taxes, and it will ask you for a password. That password will be LEARNTWO. That's learn2, all lowercase. So I'm gonna head in and type that in right here. Alright, learn2. Again, and once you get here, it's going to bring you to the login page. It's going to ask you for user ID and zip code. If this is your first time coming here, you want to head over to create new user, and it's going to ask you for a zip code. So you want to put in whatever your zip code is. Again, you want to remember, if you are going to use a fake zip code, at least remember what the zip code is that you use, because you're going to need this every time you want to log in. Once you put in the zip code, you can head over to this section where it says email address. You can or cannot put this in, it does not matter. You will still get your 6-digit ID code. I will choose to not have an email address for the purpose of this web training. You notice here that it gives me a user ID, which is 309415. Again, you want to write this down and save it somewhere, because every time you want to get into your account, whether it's to look over a problem or continue a problem or start a new one, you're going to need your user ID and your zip code to log in. So I'm just going to copy and paste that right here, and I'm going to also put in my zip code, and I'm going to hit login. If you did log in successfully, it will bring you to a page that looks like this. This is the main page of the simulator program. From this page, you can navigate to a new return, which you can click here in the top left. This prompts you to start a new return, where it's going to ask you for a social security number. If you are doing a practice problem from the book, you'll notice that most of the social security cards that you see in there will have a 6X for the last 6 digits. You replace these X's with whatever your 6-digit ID code is. So the 6-digit ID code that they gave you to log into your program, you're gonna use that to replace the 6 X's of every problem that you will be doing. All right. And once you put these in, you're gonna go to tax forms. You're not gonna go to interview mode. You're gonna go head straight over to tax forms, because we want you guys to learn exactly how to work the form without using the interview mode. Okay. If you're trying to open a return, you can go here again in the top left. You go to open return. You also type in the social security number that you're looking for. Again, the 6X's will be your 6-digit ID code, and then you go to tax form again. If you do not remember exactly what the social security number is and you still want to head there, you can always go to all returns right here in this section right below where it says new return, open return, help. And when you click on all returns, it'll give you a list of every return that you've started in your account, whether it's been completed or partially completed. Everything will be here. You will see a list of all the returns. You can just merely click on the one that you're looking for. It will indicate the social security number and the name of the problem that you're going to be clicking on. So that should make it easier in terms of finding all the returns that you've done already. Alright. So that is pretty much it for as far as how to access the simulator program and how to navigate, through your returns, opening and closing a new one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.